In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy on Facebook Marketplace. I'm also going to give you some tips on buying on Facebook Marketplace, what to do, what not to do, from someone who's actually bought quite a few things on Marketplace. So let's jump into it. So first, what you want to do, you want to open up Facebook. And once you've done that, you want to go to the Marketplace icon. So Marketplace is going to be at the bottom, kind of like in the middle. You should see this shop icon. So go ahead and click on the shop icon and it will take you to the Marketplace. Now, the first thing what I would do is I would go to your location and I would choose here a location that you're happy to travel to. So mine is set to kind of like Derby, and you can set a custom radius here of how much you're willing to travel to. So maybe I only want to travel like 15 kilometers around my location, right? So what I can do is I can go ahead and click apply, and that's going to update my location. So now here are some tips. I would only pay cash, and I would just go ahead and start messaging people and just start speaking with people. So let's say you want to buy a TV. After you've set your radius, you can then go ahead and search for TV. Click search. It's going to show you all of the TVs which are currently available. You can see here you've got a 65-inch TV for £84, which is a very good deal. Now, some things to look out for. You want to scroll down and you can see how long they've been on Facebook for. If the account has only just been opened and they're now trying to sell something on Facebook after only just opening their account, red flag, I would not even engage with them. Now, here you can scroll down, you can see their exact location and their preferences, so door-to-door drop-off. I would only really pay cash or transfer on Facebook. I would never do any deliveries. I would go and see the product in person, and if you're happy with the product, pay cash and then take it home yourself. Now, obviously, if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and message them. So here it says, send seller a message. If you click on this, you can then write to them and say, hi, is this still available? And this will then send them a message. Right, so now I've just sent them a message. They're going to get this message. They're then going to message you back with a price. And you can then negotiate that price and speak to them in Messenger. Now, you're going to have to look around and filter through deals. Some of these are going to be way overpriced. There is a lot of room for negotiation on Facebook Marketplace. But let's say we're looking here for this 40-inch TV. If you scroll down, a lot of the times they will have descriptions. Wi-Fi don't work, only works if connected with Ethernet. Obviously, if you're looking for something very specific, you're going to have to scroll a bit more to find it. But there are some great deals to be had on Marketplace if you just go ahead and look. Here you've got a 46-inch LCD TV for £60, fully working, no remote, collection only. They joined Facebook in 2016, which is a great sign, but it is new. You've got their location as well, and you can click on that and see like how far that is of a drive to you. You can also save this listing. You can send them an offer by clicking on this, and you can offer them a custom amount, or you can offer them an amount preset by Facebook, and that offer will go straight to Messenger. Buying things on Facebook Messenger is just a case of speaking to people and just offering them and going and seeing it in person. I would never buy anything off Messenger where they have to ship it or you have to pay up front. That is a red flag. Always deal with cash and go and look at the product yourself. So I hope that video helped you out. Let me know in the comment section below if it did.